South Africa, a team that's struggling to shrug off the chokers tag in World Cups. This is largely because of that famous tied match featuring a tragic Donald Klusner runout in the semi-final of the 1999 World Cup. And perhaps also because of the Grant Elliott six in the final over of the 2015 semi-final. To make matters worse, the Proteas have also crashed out in the knockout phase in 1992, 1996, 2007 and 2011. The past has been painful, but the present is promising. In their recently concluded ODI series against Australia, they showed great mental toughness, coming back from 2-0 down to eventually win 3-2. So, what's it going to be this time? Can we rely on South Africa to make their first men's ODI World Cup final? Well, one thing we can rely on is their middle order. South Africa's numbers 4 to 7 have the best average and strike rate amongst any team in the tournament by a long way. Surprisingly, it's their pace attack that's been letting them down a bit. In ODIs since 2022, the Speedsters have been going at a staggering average of 42.58 in the first 15 overs. The pace may be off with the ball, but with the bat, South Africa have some rapid scorers. Since the start of 2022, Heinrich Klaasen has been scoring at a strike rate of 133.7 in ODIs. He's managed 710 runs in 15 innings in this period, averaging 54.61. The other player to watch out for is David Miller, especially because he's been incredible against spin. In ODIs since 2022, Miller has an average of 95 against spinners. This is a very talented South African side that could make it to the knockouts. The question, as always, is will they take the next step?